Do you ever feel like you're behind on AI, but also overwhelmed by it? Have you ever opened up a legal tech site, looked at all the AI tools available and thought, where do I even start? Well, most law firms approach AI the same way. They start shopping for tools, and that's exactly why they waste time, money, and energy. It's because choosing AI software isn't really a technology decision. It's a leadership decision. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose AI software the right way without wasting money, risking compliance, or overwhelming your team. First, we'll talk about why AI selection is not a tech problem. It's an operations problem. Then we'll walk through the 4 main categories of legal AI so you understand what's actually out there. After that, I'll give you a step-by-step framework to evaluate tools the smart way. Finally, I'll share the biggest red flags and mistakes that cause AI projects to fail inside law firms. Stick around to the end because I'll give you a simple decision filter you can use immediately before you ever sign a contract with an AI vendor. Hi, I'm Ty Brown, attorney and partner at Levantage AI Advisors for law firms. We work with small and mid-sized firms across the country to evaluate, implement, and optimize AI systems the right way without hype, without wasted spend, and without disrupting your practice. We do this every day. And I can tell you, the firms that succeed with AI all follow the same pattern. If you want our AI readiness checklist for law firms, it's a simple guide to help you evaluate whether your firm is actually prepared for AI adoption. Click the link in the description. It'll give you clarity before you make any expensive decisions. All right, let's get into it. Here's the first mindset shift. AI does not fix broken workflows. It amplifies them. If your intake process is chaotic, AI will make it more chaotic. If your document workflow is inconsistent, AI will just automate the inconsistency. That's why the first step isn't shopping, it's mapping. You need to understand where your bottlenecks are, where manual work is draining time, where errors are creeping in, where attorneys are doing work they shouldn't be touching. AI should solve a defined operational problem, not create a new one. When most firms start researching tools, everything blurs together. So let's simplify it. There really are 4 main categories that you'll encounter in the AI legal tech world. Number 1, document review and analysis. These are AI tools that are summarizing, extracting, and reviewing contracts or documents. Number 2, legal research AI platforms. These are platforms that scan statutes and case law and surface relevant precedent really fast. Number 3, drafting and writing. These are AI tools that help generate contracts, briefs, memos, and internal communications, even client communications. Number 4, operational AI. Things like scheduling automation, time tracking, workflow coordination, intake automation. Not every firm needs all 4 of these. Your bottleneck determines your category. If billing is slow, don't buy research AI. If research is strong but admin is overwhelming, focus on operational AI. Start with the friction, not the features. Now, let's get practical. Here's the framework. Step 1, start with the problem. Write down your workflows. Identify where work stalls, where people re-enter data, approvals slow things down, attorneys are pulled into admin tasks. Pick the one issue costing you the most time or money. Then, look for tools designed specifically to fix that thing. Step 2, evaluate integration risk. You have to ask yourself, will this integrate with our case management system? Will my team actually use it? Does it require behavior changes that we are not prepared for? I'll tell you this, adoption failure is the number 1 reason AI investments die. Step 3, assess security, confidentiality, and ethics. This matters. You need to understand where data is stored, whether it's encrypted, who has access, whether you can audit usage. AI must operate inside ethical guardrails. The rules of professional conduct, baby. Did you know a lot of state courts are considering various AI carve-outs? They are, but most of them haven't been formalized yet. So keep an eye and make sure you're staying compliant. Step 4, understand oversight requirements. No AI tool should run unchecked. You should know where human review is required, what controls exist, and how to override or correct outputs. Oversight protects your clients and your reputation. You don't want to be featured in the next bar journal as the lawyer who messed up with AI. Step 5, look at total cost, not just price. Sticker price is the smallest part of the equation. Also consider training time, disruption to workflows, risk exposure, staff resistance. That's a big one. Then compare that to the potential time savings, and that's your real ROI. Well, let me be direct. AI fails when firms treat it like plug-and-play software. It succeeds when firms treat it like change management. Here are some best practices. Start with one simple use case. Run a pilot and train incrementally. Set clear objectives and review outcomes consistently. Don't overhaul your entire firm in one quarter, unless you like to fail. Makes you tougher, right? Here's some red flags to watch for. Before signing anything, watch for vendor lock-in, no trial period, weak security, bad transparency, fully autonomous marketing claims, no real onboarding support. If a vendor promises magic, just walk away. Strategy beats hype. The function of the AI should make a lot of sense in your firm. It should be easy for you to see the benefit that it's bringing. All right, the decision filter. Here's the filter I promised earlier. Before buying any AI tool, ask, if this tool disappeared tomorrow, would our workflow still make sense? If the answer is no, you're depending on software instead of designing a system. Design the system first, then layer in the tool. AI can absolutely transform your law firm, but only when it's chosen intentionally. If you want help evaluating tools, mapping your workflows, and implementing AI without wasted spend or disruption, reach out to us at Levantage.ai. We offer a free strategy call to help you clarify your next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.